All right, I got a cold, and I was told that this stuff works. I was warned that it tastes bad, but they say it works. Bucky's. They say it works. Ooh, I don't want to spell it. They say it works. Oh, it's kind of boogery looking. Oh, I dripped some on the. Oh, it smells bad. They say this works, and you know, my theory is the worse it tastes is generally the better it is for you to kick that cold. So here goes, bottom up. Oh. Oh my God. That is. Oh, it burns. Oh, it burns. It is. Oh, this stuff's gonna work. It's got to. Because taking it is just horrible. What the hell is in this Bucky's? Wow. Wow, that's bad. That is so bad. It is burning inside my chest. Oh. It made my eyes water. This definitely better work. I mean, it's better work. What the hell is in this? Whew.